Ah, Wordle. This game, unless you've been living underneath a rock and didn't know about this, has been taking over social media by storm as well as across the web. And it's fun if you know your word games and you're good at words, which Mr. Lights and Buttons here is not. All we need is a little bit of coding along with the use of regular expressions, and then we can build ourselves an application. In this case, a C# application that can help us solve the Wordle puzzle. So let's take a closer look. Alright, let's launch the application, and the first thing it does is it loads the dictionary file, and as you can see there's a little over 5,700 words that is loaded from this file, each of these being a 5-letter word, so any of these could be the solution. And to help narrow this thing down, as you're making your guesses, you type in your guess in the top row over here, and based off of the feedback from Wordle, you can specify whether it's in the correct position, if the character is in a different position, or if the character doesn't exist in the word. Then you click process and it will start narrowing down that list. So let's give this a try. We'll bring Wordle over to the right, and you can pick any word to start with. You can pick irate. I'm just going to do audio. So as soon as I hit enter, you can see the A and the U are in different positions. So I'll type this in, AUDIO. First two are in a different position, and then the last three are not part of the word. So I'll click process, and then you can see it automatically narrows it down to 156 words. So any of these could be it, and then it runs through regular expressions, and then that's how it does the pattern matching. So going back to Wordle, let's say we guess pause. The A and the U are still in different positions. We'll update this here, PAUSE, and then so that's incorrect. These are in different positions, and when I hit process, now it narrows down to 66 words. So any of these could be it. So let's give this another try. Chant. And then here it looks like the A and the T are in different positions, so let's put that into the app. And we'll hit process. So now we're down to 9 words. One of these 9 will be it. All right, let's do trial. Okay, type that into here. So this is tough because none of these are green, and we have to descramble this. So the T and the R are in the different positions, I is not there, and then the last two are in different positions. So hit process, and based off of that logic and narrowing down the words, now we have ultra. And there we go. This is not 100% though. I spent one night coding this, and I did find a logic error, and that has to do with repeating characters. For example, if I did start, and I try to put this into the application, and I hit process, it'll go down to 0 words. And that's because in the regex logic over here, when it's processing it, it's saying it needs to have a word that doesn't have a T and a word that has a T at the same time, and it doesn't know how to handle that. So it goes down to 0. With the regular expression info displayed on the screen, can you tell me how this works? Let me know in the comments below. It's been a while since I developed apps, so it was definitely refreshing jumping back into the world of C#. I'll be making a separate video on how the app works, so definitely keep an eye out for that. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.